Discuss this GAUSS Jordan method. Okay, so GAUSS Jordan method in the sense, first of all consider the augmented matrix, then try to make these two elements as zeros first. To make these two elements as zeros with reference to any one of the above, that in the sense, first of all I try to make this one as 0. To make this one as 0, use that first row as well. What I do is R3 goes to R3 minus 2R3 minus R1. What I do is R3 goes through 2R3 minus 1. Multiply this third row with 2 and then subtract from 1. Okay, and to make it as 0, R2, you need to change R2. Change R2, multiply with 2 because 2 3s is 6. 2R2 minus 3R1 and multiply this 3 with 2. To make this number as 0, multiply this 3 with 2 and that 2 with 3. On subtraction you will get it as 0. So with these two row operations, I will try to make these two as zeros and then I will make this one also as a 0 one. Okay, so with this row operations how it becomes. Okay, just have a look. I am not disturbing the first row. So first row is 2, 1, minus 2 and 3. Okay, first row is very clear. And then change the second row, row R2. How to change it? 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. See, calculations part is very important. 2 into R2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 3 into 1, minus 4 minus 3 into 1 is minus 7. And then 2 into R2, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 3 into minus 2. Here it is minus 2, right? Replace here minus 2. Minus of minus plus 6. Here it is minus 8 plus 6. So that is minus 2. And then coming to here, 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. So this place is minus 9. That is second row. Whereas coming to third row, multiply with 2 and subtract from 1. Okay? 2 into 1 minus 2, 0. 2 into 3, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus of minus plus 2, which is 4. And then 2 into 6, 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is how much? 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay? So after having these two as zeros, my next target is to make this as 0. To make it as 0, multiply this element with 7 and multiply this number with 5. Then add these two, replace here. That in the sense, this R3 goes to 7R3 plus 5R2 because here minus is there. So if you add, it will become 0. So I am changing only R3. First row I am not changing. So take it like that. 2, 1, minus 2, 3. Second row I am not changing. Okay. 0, minus 7, minus 2 and minus 9. Third row, now I am going to change. This element with 7, that element with 5. Both are zeros, right? 7 into 0 plus 5 into 0. Still I will get 0 only. Coming to this element. 7 into 5 plus 5 into minus 7. This is again 0. Coming to this element. 4 in the place of R3. Minus 2 in the place of R2. 7 4 is 28 minus 10. 28 minus 10 is what? 18. Okay. And then this element. 9 7s 63. Okay. 9 7s. 9 in the place of R3. Minus 9 in the place of R2. 7 into 9 minus 5 into 9. 7 into 9 minus 5 into 9 is 2 into 9, which is again 18. Okay. At the end, after having these three elements as zeros, this is the augmented matrix. Once you just observe, see these three equations, this is the matrix form. After having these three as zeros, now if you try to convert this augmented form into the algebraic form. Now what are the three equations corresponding to this? 2x plus y minus 2z is equals to 3. Just I converted it like that only, and in the same way again I am rewriting the algebraic format. This is 0. 0 into x is 0. So minus 7y minus 2z is equals to minus 9. And coming to the last one, 0 into x, 0 into y, 18 into z is equals to 18. At the end, after having this augmented matrix with these three elements as zeros, these three are the equations. Now since these three are the equations, directly we have a chance to say that z is equals to 1, right? This is 18, z is equals to 18. Because of the space, I am erasing this. So directly I am getting that z value as 1. Okay, therefore z is equals to 1. And since z is equals to 1, replace that z in the above equation. When you replace here, what will happen? Minus 7y minus 2 into 1 is equals to minus 9. Minus 7y is equals to minus 7. So y is again 1. So after having z1 and y1, replace those two in the first equation. So now from this first equation we will get x is equals to 2. So at the end your answers for the problem are x2, y1, z1. Okay, have a look.